Okay, so we're over here at the farmhouse today. We're gonna work on finishing all this sheathing for the first floor and cutting down some extra roof from the original house and getting as much done as possible because we've got to get started on that second floor tomorrow. We've got tons of lumber sitting here and
lots of lumber.
We gotta get it going.
So we've got started with the sheathing. What I'm doing right now is I'm just adding this blocking along this wall here. Harrington measured and cut all the blocking for me. And this intersects right where two pieces of sheathing meet. It really adds a lot of shear strength to your wall to do it like this. Not to mention fire blocking and a place to hang other things. And it really helps your building out. So you can see up here where my sheet ended before the second story was finished. I might even go ahead and put blocking right along there. I haven't decided yet. It's not required by code, but I might just do it because, you know, I'm building it and I can do what I want. You want your blocking to be snug, but not so tight that it's making every board bow as you go down the way. So I just toenail in one side here. And then this side gets nailed in from the end. Now another way to do this, you could stagger high, low, that way you can nail in from each side, but I like to do it like this so that I can nail the sheathing to it. So I'm just putting some nails in there so we have an 1/8 inch gap to allow for expansion for moisture and things. Okay, so this is one of the bedroom windows, and the easiest way to do this is just to sheet the whole side and then you come cut the windows out. I'm actually going to cut them from the other side so I can get flush along this 2x6 right here. So I'm just going to drill a little hole right in the corners. That way I know where to pop my string line where the edge is down here. I will pull the string tight and push it up against the wall. All right, once I get the second story up on and we put this other board of sheathing across the top here, I'll have to cut this little spot out here, but not a big deal, we'll just do the same thing. The sheathing is really cooking along. We're almost done with this long side here, but we're getting to the point where we need to figure out where the garage slop sink is gonna go. Jamie picked this up a while ago, and you know, it's kind of a heated debate. Should it go here? Should it go on the back porch? We contemplated using it in the kitchen.
The fact is it's too big for the kitchen. Like the stove only goes out to here. So like this would overwhelm the entire kitchen design. And the back porch is not really that big either. And the reality is we need a place to wash our junk. and that I don't want to take in the house. And this is a nice deep sink that I can throw stuff in and soak it, or if I needed to bleach drop cloths, like this is a great way to keep it out of the inside of the house. And realistically, Zeb's ginormous truck is never going to park in here. This is going to be like the workshop side of the garage, and my Expedition's going to go over there. So I think it's a good spot.
So the truck is 21 feet long with the hitch on it, and this pokes out to
27 and a half, almost 28 inches.
Yeah, 28 inches. And the garage is only 22 feet 8 inches long. So if this is here, it eliminates parking the truck at all.
But realistically, if you've seen our garage before, you know that we're never parking in here. Like
I'll use it. I bet my Corvette would fit here.
Your Corvette, yeah, we'll work on that. You know what? You can park your Razor in here. There you go.
Pipe treats.
All right, so Zeb is over there doing the fun demo work. We only have one mask right now that has filters, so he is over there tearing down this because this is gonna be the mudroom, and we've gotta remove this so that way we can put the new ceiling that connects the addition to the old house. Zeb is trying not to tear the beadboard up because, you know me, I'm always wanting to use it for another project, and so we're trying to keep it intact. We have some beadboard from some other places, and I would love to redo the beadboard on the whole ceiling of the mudroom if we can salvage enough.
Bad chance of that.
Bad chance of that. Well, maybe we could just take a little bit and frame it, or make a sign. Here's your sign. Here's your.
This house used to be forest green.
This house used to be forestry. My sign would say, you should have bought a new house. All right, well, Zeb is hard at work over there. I want to show you this. These are all the different colors that the house has been. I like this color the best. This avocado green, not my favorite, but this color is kind of fun. What DIY paint colors would you say these are? I don't know. I love that it has had a lot of lives. And it also goes to show that it's okay to paint old stuff, because look, this old house was painted all these fun colors.
So right now, I'm standing pretty much where the master bathroom tub goes.
Does it feel lounge-worthy?
It feels amazing to be cutting this off finally. I've been putting it off because it's a dirty mess.
It's a little bit dirty. I have another battery for you too. There was
Now I need the Sawzall.
All right, well, let me
This still has 3 bars on the battery.
All right, I'll put this one on the Sawzall.
So if you guys want to see this project from start to finish, there are over 30 videos in the farmhouse playlist now. So from inspection to where we're at now, you could watch it in sequential order.
It's real life when it comes to renovation. These shows that show you it done in an hour, it takes a little bit longer than that.
So lots of progress today. I'm hoping by tomorrow morning we're able to finish these front little walls into the mudroom, and then on with the floor joist for the second story.
Onward and upward. I'm like, I don't know what to say, to infinity and beyond. All right, we're super excited to be getting progress on this house. Make sure you guys are hitting up JamiRayVintage.com and JamiRayVintageHome.com. Both those websites help support our channel and all the videos that we make for you guys. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY. Got a little more to do. You can see the new blocking and some of the framing that I've been doing on the inside of the house.